My personal biography was simple. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nestor Robert Gomon Quispe, and today I want to share my life history with you. I was born in Cusco, a beautiful city surrounded by mountains and full of history. I grew in Cusco by my family and it spent my children in the narrow street near my house. We was a children. I was a curious and active boy. I always asked many questions and hate playing outside with my friends. I studied at a local school in Cusco where I made many good friends. Every day I traveled to school by bus because my house was far away. Leafy Chalkin California with is finished. Hit school. I moved different news and started thinking serious about my future. I visited many important places in Cusco, like Sacsayhuaman and two Plaza de Armas and two places towns. Me love my culture and my history. My present life present simple, present continuous. Now, in the present, I am studying business administration and Universidad Continental. I am learning about management, finance, and leadership, and I am also improving my English skills. Every day I wake up early and I go to my class. And my first time I submit me some read books. I played football with my friends and listening to music to relax. I am currently working on several university projects and I am trying to balance my studies with my hobbies compared to my childhood. My life today is business, but is also more interesting because I am learning many new things every day. My future plans infinitives by going to look into look into the future. I have any clear goals. I am going to finish my degrees business administration and after that I want to specialize in international business and entrepreneurship. I would like to develop skills such as leadership, communication, and problem solving because these qualities are going to help me succeed in my career. I am also planning to travel or to Korea to learn about different business cultures and improve my English in the future. I am going to be more prepared than I am now. And much more experienced I was in the past. My past too taught me work. My present is teaching me to be responsible, and my future is going to show me how far I can go. Thank you very much for listening to my story.